Hi, I'm Mubashir Ali, and welcome to AI Powerhouse. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Unhook extension to reduce distractions on YouTube. Unhook is a free Chrome extension that allows you to hide the sidebar, recommended videos, live chat, and other distractions on YouTube. This can help you focus on the video you're watching and avoid getting sidetracked. How to install Unhook? Open the Chrome Web Store and search for Unhook. Click the Add Extension button. How to customize Unhook? Once Unhook is installed, click the Unhook icon in the Chrome toolbar. The Unhook settings window will open. You can customize the settings to hide the following: homepage feed video sidebar, recommended related videos, playlist, end screen cards, comments, video info video buttons bar, share, likes, dislikes, irrelevant search results, explore and trending more from YouTube Shorts tab, disable autoplay, disable annotations, how to use Unhook. Once you've customized the settings, click the Save button. The Unhook extension will now hide the selected distractions on YouTube. That's all there is to it. Unhook is a simple and effective way to reduce distractions on YouTube. If you find yourself getting sidetracked by the sidebar, recommended videos, or other distractions on YouTube, I encourage you to give Unhook a try. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.